Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. Mamushi here. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can use just 2 eyeshadow shades to achieve this look. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So before we move to the eyeshadow, I like to first start with the eyebrows. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 6. I like to start here at the bottom and outline the bottom part of my brow and comb it all the way to the tail of my brow. And then I do the top part as well, just to enhance the shape. I don't want to change the shape of my brow, but I just want to make it look like it's there. More visible but natural. So I fill out my brow, and then to blend out the product into my brow, just comb it outwards and make sure there are no harsh lines. So now both the eyebrows are done. Next we're going to move to eyeshadow base. The reason I like to use an eyeshadow base is because it gives the eyeshadow more color, and it makes it pop, and it makes the eyeshadow last longer. So what I like to do, I place some eyeshadow on the back of my hand, and I'm taking my Sigma concealer brush in F75. And I like to use a flat brush to apply this product so that it can spread out easily, and I can define where I want to place the product. So I place the product on both sides of the brush. And I'm just placing the eyeshadow base to define my eyebrow shape and to enhance it. And I place it all the way outside the area of my eye. To even out the distribution of the eyeshadow base, I just use this makeup sponge from Nude Techniques and blot out the extra product, blend the edges in and out, and make sure the product is distributed evenly across the eye. I'm going to do the next eye off camera, and I'll be right back. So now moving to eyeshadow. Today I decided to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Today I'll be using these 2 shades, Blaze and Angelic, these 2. This is Blazing. I'm going to take Blazing using a blending brush. This is the MAC 224, and I'm going to be using it to blend out Blazing. So whenever you're taking eyeshadow, just take some on your brush and tap, because you don't want to pick up a lot of product. And then start in the outer corner of your eye and build up the product there, and then you blend it inwards. Always look down when you're applying eyeshadow so that you can see the shape of your eye. I'm gonna pick up more shadow just to intensify the color. Again, I'm still building up the shadow in the outer corner of my eye. And then slowly, with a light hand, I start to bring in the product towards the inner corner of my eye, but not completely. Then start blending it upwards as well. And then just to check, look straight into the mirror and see how it's blending, how it's looking. It's better to add color slowly rather than in one go to avoid mistakes. Blazing is done. Now I'm going to move to the shades Angelic. With the shade Angelic. What I like to do with shimmer shades is apply them with my finger. So I'll take some with my finger and just apply directly on my eyelid. Yes! So with my finger, just make sure I apply it in the middle of my eyelid. And then I'm going to use a brush to just blend it out. So I have this eye shading brush from Sigma. This is the E55 brush. So I just took the same blending brush that I used for blazing and to blend out the shimmer shade into my eye. So the second eye is done. I'm just going to use a wet wipe and clean product off under my eye. So the eyeshadow part is done. I'm going to go apply some mascara and some Huda Beauty lashes. These are the Scarlet number 8 lashes. So now I'm back. Mascara and eyelashes done. Now we'll move to the base. Base meaning primer, foundation, concealer, and powder. I'm going to do that off camera, and again I'll be right back because, as you know, it's time consuming. But I'm going to link that to another video where I show you how I do the base and make it last longer. So I'll be right back with the base so we can move to the lips. So I'm back. Now we'll move on to lips. For the lips, I'm going with these 3 products. This is the KKW Lipliner in Nude 3. This is the MAC Lipliner in Cork. And then Dose of Colors here. Dose of Colors, this is Lazy Daizy. So first I'm going to apply Cork from MAC. Next I'll go to the KKW Lip Liner in Nude 3 and I'll focus it on my bottom lip. And then now with the Dose of Colors. Just gonna add a little bit more. In the middle. I'm just checking. I need to lip liner again, but I think this is fine. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyone can do makeup with just 2 eyeshadows. It doesn't have to be complicated, it can be simple. So this is the look I was going for. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. How are you? What you like, what you didn't like about this video. Any feedback, please feel free to leave it down below. And please remember, don't hate, meditate. Thank you. Bye.